How to insert a text box in Google Docs? Well, to be clear, there is no way you can do that because that feature doesn't exist in Google Docs. That text box is something that is available in Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint, but not Google Docs. However, there is a simple workaround. So if you still insisted to use a text box, then you can place the cursor where you want to insert a text box, maybe right here, and then go to the insert menu, and then go to drawing, click new. And after that, you can click on this text box icon. You can draw a text box like that. So I think I'm not going to put any content here. I'm going to just put some random text. Okay, I have this text that I want to put in my document, and this text is basically contained with the text box. And by the way, you can add some customization, like you can change the border thickness, the border style, you can also change the font color, the color of the border, and many other options. But I'm not going to cover that in this video because that's going to be a bit too long. But basically, you can utilize all of these tools to essentially decorate your text box. And when you're done, click save and close, and that text box will be inserted into your document. And perhaps the only problem is that you cannot modify this text right away. Unlike a normal text, you can just quickly add some content to it, but this text box is pretty much contained and isolated from the rest of the document. And if you want to edit it, then you have to click on the text box and then click this edit button to open the drawing menu again. But you can always move this text box around. Just click on the text box and select the preferred wrapping option. There are many options here, but I think I'm going to be using this one because this allows the text to be visible but not disturbing. Well, still disturbing, but it's not going to block the other text. So you can move it here and you can see the other texts are still visible. And of course, you can always resize it. You can change the margin, you can change the property of the position, and there are many others. So that's basically how you can put a text box in Google Docs.